Bobaki. Belajar dan bermain bersama.
Hello, little friends. Let's learn together and discover 50 amazing ocean animals. But before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Dolphin. Dolphin. Here comes the dolphin, the ocean's smiling jumper. It loves to leap super high and play tag with all its friends. Splash, splash, so cute. Shark. Shark. Whoa, it's the shark, the fast, sharp-toothed swimmer who zooms through the water like a rocket. Don't worry, this buddy doesn't eat people. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Say hi to the sea turtle, the calm traveler of the ocean. It swims slowly with a peaceful smile, like it's on a relaxing vacation every day. Octopus. Octopus. Here's the octopus, the squishy ocean friend with 8 wiggly arms. It can give you 8 hugs at the same time. Wiggle, wiggle. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Look at the jellyfish. It floats like a magical jelly balloon, glowing and shining gently underwater. So soft and floaty. Seahorse. Seahorse. Aw, the tiny seahorse. It looks like a little horse of the sea and loves holding tails with its best friends. So adorable. Starfish. Starfish. Here's the starfish, the ocean star, with 5 sticky arms. It loves clinging to rocks all day, just chilling like a lazy superstar. Crab. Crab. Click, click, it's the crab, the funny sideways walker who snaps its little claws. Watch it move, so silly and cute. Lobster. Lobster. Wow, the lobster, the big red crawler hiding under rocks, waving its long antennae like it's saying, "Hello, ocean!" Clownfish. Clownfish. It's the clownfish, the cute orange and white swimmer who loves living in soft sea anemones. It peeks in and out like it's playing hide and seek. Sea lion. Sea lion. Meet the sea lion, the playful, barking swimmer who loves doing flips and tricks. It's like the acrobat of the ocean. Walrus. Walrus. Here's the walrus, the big, blubbery buddy with super long tusks. It lounges on ice like a giant, squishy king. Beluga whale. Beluga whale. Say hi to the beluga whale, the white, smiling whale that sings beautiful ocean songs. Do-do-do. So pretty. Blue whale. Blue whale. Wow, the blue whale, the biggest animal on Earth. It's a gentle giant with the kindest heart in the whole ocean. Manta ray. Manta ray. Look, the manta ray, the underwater flying carpet that glides so smoothly it looks like it's floating in a dream. Stingray. Stingray. Here's the stingray, the sandy hider. It wiggles its flat body as it swims, like a living ocean pancake. Swordfish. Swordfish. Zoom! The swordfish is here, the speedy swimmer with a long sword nose that cuts through the water like lightning. Marlin. Marlin. This is the marlin, the super jumper. It rockets out of the water, splashing high like it's saying, "Look at me!" Pufferfish. Pufferfish. Uh-oh, pufferfish time. The tiny fish that blows up into a spiky balloon when scared. Pop! Just kidding. Anglerfish. Anglerfish. Here's the anglerfish from the deep sea. It carries a glowing lamp on its head like a spooky underwater flashlight. Moray eel. Moray eel. Peekaboo. The moray eel is hiding in a hole. Its long, twisty noodle body pops out like, "Hello there." Sea snake. Sea snake. The sea snake slithers through warm waters with smooth, wavy moves. It looks like a shiny ribbon swimming away. Shrimp. Shrimp. Meet the shrimp, the tiny pink swimmer that wiggles its tail really fast, zip zip, and shoots around like a mini rocket. Hermit crab. Hermit crab. Here's the hermit crab, the little traveler who borrows a seashell home and carries it everywhere like a tiny backpack.
Squid.
Squid. Zoom. It's the squid, the fast jet swimmer. It squirts ink like a ninja and zips away super quickly. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish. This is the cuttlefish, the rainbow color changer. It glows and shimmers underwater like magical ocean glitter. Sponge. Sponge. Look at the sponge. It's the ocean's soft cleaner that soaks up water like magic and stays still like a squishy rock.
Coral. Coral. Here's coral, the ocean's colorful builder. It looks like a flower, but it's alive, making big homes for animals to live in. Sea urchin. Sea urchin. The sea urchin is a round, spiky ball hiding between rocks. It's like a tiny ocean hedgehog. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumber. This is the sea cucumber, a slow, squishy friend shaped just like, well, a cucumber. Wiggle, wiggle. Barracuda. Barracuda. Here comes the barracuda, the super fast silver rocket of the sea. It zooms past like whoosh. Lionfish. Lionfish. Look at the lionfish. It has fancy striped spines that sway and dance as it swims. So pretty, that's so pokey. Manatee. Manatee. Say hi to the manatee, the gentle sea potato who loves munching plants all day. So calm, so cute. Orca. Orca. Here's the orca, the black and white ocean hero who swims with family and loves splashing giant waves. Penguin. Penguin. Waddle, waddle. It's the penguin, the bird that can't fly but swims super fast. It slides on ice like a tiny champ. Narwhal. Narwhal. Look, the narwhal, the unicorn of the sea with a magical long tusk. It looks like it's ready for an underwater fairy tale. Seal. Seal. Here's the seal, the adorable flipper friend who claps, rolls, and slides around like a silly ocean puppy.
Giant clam.
Giant clam. The giant clam opens like a treasure chest. Inside are shiny colors that sparkle like underwater jewels.
Anemone.
Anemone. This is the anemone, the wiggly, wavy creature that looks like a plant but protects little clownfish buddies.
Krill.
Krill may be tiny, 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 but whole whales love to eat them. Humpback whale.
Humpback whale. Meet the humpback whale. It sings big, beautiful songs and waves its giant flippers like it's dancing.
Flying fish. Whoa! The flying fish zooms out of the water and glides like a bird. Parrotfish. Parrotfish. This is the parrotfish, a bright, colorful buddy with a beak that crunches coral. It's like a rainbow fish munching. Sea dragon. Sea dragon. Look at the sea dragon. It's leafy and magical, blending in with seaweed like a little underwater fairy. Brittle star. Brittle star. Here's the brittle star, a starfish cousin with long, bendy arms that wiggle like dancing noodles. Goblin shark. Goblin shark. The goblin shark rises from the deep. Ocean sunfish. Ocean sunfish. The mola mola is a giant flatfish that loves sunbathing at the surface. It looks like a huge floating pancake. Blue tang. Blue tang. This is the blue tang, a bright blue fish that darts around reefs super fast. Zip, zip, always full of energy. Remora. The sticky fish that rides on sharks like a tiny underwater taxi passenger. Hold on tight. Yay! We finished, friends! Thanks for learning ocean animals with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? See you next time. Bye!